Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you a couple of new items that are in the Placester interface. These seem to be items that are in response to compliance requirements from a couple of really big states, California and New York. And there's a couple of other states that require similar things, but mostly California and New York require certain information to be displayed in certain places on your site. And before we had to sort of hack it together to put it in place where it's supposed to be. Now there are new fields in the Placester interface specifically for that compliance information. So we're going to show you how to update that and where it shows on your site. First thing to do is to get logged into mykw.kw.com. Your Placester site is administered through mykw, not through logging directly into your website or logging into placester.com. Once you're logged into mykw.kw.com, up in your top black menu, we'll hover over Technology, and then we'll click KW Websites. And then on here, we're going to click our red Go to My Website button to go into the Placester interface. Once we're here in Placester, over on the left under Quick Actions, we're going to click on Edit Site, and then we'll scroll down here to the Site Info link here. This is the only thing that's been changed. We'll click on that, and now there are a couple of new options here. The first new option here is the title. This is your actual title that's from your real estate commission or your real estate Bureau of Real Estate or Department of Real Estate. This is what's on your license. This is what you're licensed as. So this is not going to be Realtor. This is not going to be CRS, GRI, whatever. This is what the title on your license is, which in a lot of states is real estate salesperson or real estate broker associate, something like that. You want to look at your license, and that's what's going to go in this title field right here. Under that, right underneath above your picture, we've got this new checkbox here for site header, choosing whether or not to display your license number. And it says that this is updated in My Profile. So we're going to go there in just a minute to update that license number. If you're in one of those states that requires you to display your license number on the homepage, you definitely do want to check this box. And then we'll go over to My Profile to update what that license number is. So we'll check that box there. Going to scroll down just a little bit further. We have a new field here for office website. So if you know your market center's website, or if you're in a state that requires to show your market center's website link at the top of your website, this is where you would put that there. It does require your http://. So the website address here does have to start with http://. And then if you don't know your market center's website, it's actually fairly easy to look that up. We're going to open a new tab and go to the main kw.com homepage, KW International's website. Right here in the center, we've got Office Search right above the search bar. So we'll click on that. And you're just going to search the city and state that your market center is in. I'm going to do like Dayton, Ohio. Oops, I scrolled past Ohio. There we go. We'll search that. And so now this is Keller Williams Hometown Realty. That's the North Dayton office. That's the one that's closest to me. So when you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to the Market Center's website that they have in their white pages. This isn't something you control. It's something that the Market Center has set. All you have to do is up here in the address bar, click in here or highlight it, whatever you want to do so that you've got everything highlighted. We're going to copy that, and then we're going to paste that into the office website box. And you'll notice that it includes the http:// automatically. If you know the rest of your address by default, you just have it in your head, you can type it out, or you can just go to the Market Center's website through searching on kw.com and copy and paste the address in here. And then the last new thing here is there's a couple new checkboxes here for site header that's very similar to the license number there. You're choosing whether you want to display the office name, which is what this link is going to be applied to. So when someone clicks on the name of your office, which is up here, that's going to take them to this website right here. And then you've also got the option of whether or not you want to display the address of your office. So we'll check that box there as well. We'll come down and save it. And so now we're going to go over into the My Profile section to update your license number or your DRE number or your BRE number, whichever it is for your state. That's up here in the very top right. You've got your little G looking icon here. When you click on that, we're going to go to My Account. And then we're going to go to My Profile across the top here. We'll scroll down to the bottom, or excuse me, it's not at the bottom. It's at the top right here, right next to My Profile. We'll click on Edit. And then now we'll scroll down almost to the bottom here to License Display. Now you're not just putting in your number here if you're an agent in California or New York. You have to put in BRE or DRE and then your number and then whatever the number is. And then you would save profile. So now we're going to go up to our top menu up here and click on our grid of 9 squares to go back to our dashboard. And then we'll click on View Live Site to go see what that looks like. So here's what our site looks like now. This is where that new information is going. Here is our license number that we just updated in the profile, that DRE, blah, blah, blah. Here's your market center name, and you'll notice as I hover over it, it changes to that little finger icon where if I click that, it's going to take me to my market center website in a new tab. It also has the market center's address right here. The market center phone number doesn't display until you get to the very, very bottom of the website, and the market center email doesn't actually even apply on the site anywhere. There's no way to contact the Market Center via email. The only email option is yours. There's not a spot for the Market Center email to be used. I'm not sure why that field is on there. But that's where you can update that new compliance information, especially for California and New York, in your Placester website. That's a brand new feature introduced in just the last couple of hours, and we just wanted to make sure to notify you guys of that and show you how to use it. If you do have additional questions about this, feel free to shoot us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.